Eras Vital, heilende Kraft der Natur.
How to make tea from pieces of chaga mushroom in the traditional way. You'll need a piece of birch mushroom chaga, 10-20 grams, 1 liter of water, a kettle, 2 candles, a vessel with a candle stand, a lighter or matches. Let's start. We put a piece of chaga mushroom in a vessel, boil the water and let it cool to 80 degrees. Fill a piece of chaga with water. Close the lid of the kettle. Put the vessel on the candles for simmering. We leave the chaga to settle for 2 hours. Candles will help us maintain the water temperature so that the active components of the mushroom gradually saturate the water. In the process of simmering, the water changes color. After 2 hours, it should turn dark. A piece of chaga can be brewed several times until the mushroom ceases to emit color. If the water doesn't stain, then the chaga has given away all the active ingredients. If you do not want to infuse the mushroom again, store the pieces in a jar with a lid. To do this, take out a piece with a spoon, put it in a jar, fill it with cold water and put it in the refrigerator. In this form, you can store chaga for no more than 3 days. Find more information about the chaga mushroom in the ebook, link in the video description.